Hi, good evening to all. Today's topic is all about the MPO. It's an important topic of management principles and practices. So, we will look at the meaning of MPO first. MPO stands for Management by Objectives. It is a management approach where goals are set collaboratively, progress is monitored, and performance is evaluated based on the achievement of those goals. MPO is a management technique where the goals are set and the progress is monitored and the performance is evaluated under this process. Steps of MPO are as follows. The first step is establish objectives. Define clear and specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound objectives, typically through collaborative efforts between managers and employees. In MPO, the process we need to establish objectives now. To establish the objectives, we need to follow some criteria as clear, specific, measurable, achievable, and relevant, and the time bound. This step has been done through collaborative efforts between managers and the employees. Next step is develop action plans. Create detailed plans outlining the activities, resources, timelines, and responsibilities required to achieve the established objectives. Once we establish the objectives, we need to create action plans, which these plans outlining the activities, resources, and the timelines and responsibilities which are required to achieve the established objectives. Next, implement plans. Execute the action plans ensuring that the tasks are completed according to the outlined the timelines and the standards. After developing plans, we have to execute the plan based on the outline in the timelines and the standards. Next step is monitor progress. Continuously track and assess progress towards the objectives, identifying any deviations or obstacles that may arise. In this process, in this step, we have to track and assess the progress which are moving towards the objectives. As well, we have to identify any deviations or obstacles through the monitoring process. Next step is provide feedback. Offer constructive feedback and support to employees, helping them stay on track and address any challenges they can encounter. So we need to offer constructive feedback and support to employees to be stay on track and as well as address any challenges they have faced. Next step is evaluate performance. Periodically review employee performance based on the extent to which objectives have been achieved using objective criteria and data. Once we collected the feedback, we have to evaluate employees' performance based on the objectives they have achieved. For that, we have to use some criteria and data. The achievement criteria. Next step is the reward the achievement. Recognize and the reward Recognize and the reward individuals or the teams for meeting or exceeding their objectives, reinforcing a culture of accountability and the success. After evaluating the performance of employees, we have to reward the individuals or the teams for their tasks which they have completed through the reinforcing a culture of accountability and the success. Next step is all about adjusting objectives and the plans. As circumstances change or the new priorities emerge, update objectives and objective action plans accordingly to ensure alignment with the organizational goals. Yeah, we need to adjust objectives and the plans now as per the circumstances changes or new priorities now emerge. So we need to update objectives and the plans accordingly to the confirm the alignment with the organizational goals.